Scott from Renegade. It doesn't look like Las Vegas now, does it? We've got some huge news for you. You gotta check this video out. Come on, I'm gonna show you some stuff. I wasn't kidding. We are in Florida, East Coast. I promised you big news, and I promised you that the way that we were gonna do it is we're gonna do it right. Gizmo, I want you to meet everybody. Everybody, this is Gizmo.
Nice to meet you guys.
We are partnering up in 2 different locations. We're out here in Deerfield Beach, Florida, which is really, really close to Boca. We're still in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're not going anywhere with those 2 locations. You, my friend, can get in touch with us, 702-739-8011. You'll talk to either Gizmo, myself, Travis back in Vegas, Melba, the same people, the same stuff, and we will get you taken care of out there or even here in Florida. We're even doing fabrication here, just like we do fabrication there. We can make things on the spot. And back here in Vegas, we are actually expanding here in order to try to make, wait a second, Gizmo. I just saw him yesterday in Florida. What's going on with all of this?
We're expanding. Our wait list is too long. We're trying to get it down. We're going to go down to 6 months to a year.
That would be awesome. That would be incredible. More lifts, more productivity. We're doing another location in Florida. We just showed you that. And now we're expanding here in Vegas. Doesn't get any better than that. So give us a call, 702-739-8011. Say hi to Gizmo. Say hi to Scott. And we will take care of you on the East Coast and on the West Coast. Take care, guys.